like it's snowing.
Freezing.
Dad.
Yeah.
Dad, what are you doing?
I'm gonna go back and get Mom, okay? There you go.
Why do we need Mom? She's gonna fall.
I'm gonna help her not fall, okay, bud?
We can see you, buddy.
Yes, sir.
Looks like it's snowing.
Okay.
Like flowers are snowing.
Yeah.
Just waiting for the rain to stop.
Slowly.
Can I get you? Hey guys, it's Lafite Outdoors. I am Bobby, and this is the crew we're camping with this weekend. We're hiking in the Linville Gorge. We're down Unnamed Trail, almost the way down. You know the Boogie, who's behind me, Lawman, my wife Danielle, Luis, and his wife Diana. Well, we decided to come down Unnamed Trail because we figured it wouldn't be crowded, and we like this area a lot. It's open, very open area. But,
But very wet.
yeah, it rained a little bit.
Yeah.
We're soaked.
Sun's out now, though.
This is a very nice rock to rest on.
We've rested on it a few times.
We ate breakfast on it.
Yep.
We're gonna work our way down, find a cool place to camp, and get camp set up. See how awkward that was.
I'm like,
Fast, Dad. Go, go,
you and Dad.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, Boogie.
Bobby and Alyssa are loners. Are your shoulders tight?
Yeah.
I remember the first time we went packing, I like slipped a couple times and literally could not get up.
Yeah.
Like I had to take my pack off in order to stand up and get my pack back on. And from then I learned if I have to wear the same clothes, okay. I'm not doing that again.
Exactly.
Yeah, that one we gotta learn because I think maybe
It's
we
worth it.
overpacked clothes too.
Yeah.
Then I over did too many gadgets maybe. So
But it's cool, they're gadgets.
it's like at least we made it.
Let's check them out. Let's check out the gadgets.
It's a baton, flashlight, taser. So I keep it on my car on the side, so
Oh, really?
it's like and or it tastes you, or it's a flashlight.
Yes, please.
And
I
then
wonder how bad it would hurt.
this one.
Ooh.
So bad. Just for the sound of it?
Yeah.
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 I like
The sound of it, I'm like, don't get near
Yes,
me.
there's
don't
a
get
flashlight.
angry with that. He's like,
What else you got in your bag?
I think I over-engineered my first aid. I even have a stapler switcher,
Oh, yeah.
so like it get caught up. So when I
Frankenstein opens back
yeah.
Yes.
Like, I liked it so much because when I busted my head wide open of squirting blood out, the doctor cleaned it out, grabbed the thing, just click, 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 and that was it. And I was like, I'm getting that, you know?
Yeah.
So like, I was really in tourniquets,
Oh.
the stapler. Then any gunshot wounds, you know, those military ones, they like
Yeah.
covered a hole. Oh yeah, look, there you go. Blister one.
Yeah, that'd be good for me.
Use this guy right.
Here's antibiotic if you want to.
In our last video,
Yeah, I didn't put that in the video. Of me burning myself
Oh my god. Yeah, no.
with a pot of boiling
those
water.
look really good though.
Perfect. It's like new. It's like new skin.
Yeah,
Yeah.
literally that's how it looks like.
Right in your face.
Yeah.
All right, we're all set up here.
The thingy that thing. That's the
This is Luis and Diana's tent.
Oh, the
It's our tent. My wife.
Hey, hey!
And the potty.
I know.
Luis brought a potty, like a legit potty. We got our clothesline set up because it rained pretty much the whole way down. It wasn't supposed to, but that's okay. It's not cool out. This is our campsite for the night.
That was like the whole technique.
We might be moving tomorrow. We'll see. We'll see what the night brings, but next we're going to get a fire going. Hopefully. Because like I said, it did rain all day today. We're going to get a fire going, and we're going to eat a whole bunch of food.
Ow!
Law,
That just hit me in the face.
that's enough.
No more.
Sit down. Well, it seems like it's about to rain, so we're going to try to get this fire going real quick.
Find me, but then I didn't.
Nope. Matches it is. I just want to get it going before it starts raining.
Where would we go if it started like raining?
In the tent. And hang out for a little bit. Talk.
We're super smooth.
I don't know, did my matches get wet?
Well, no, having to improvise there. Like a fire, start a fire.
When in doubt, pull it out. I don't know what else to say there. This is why you never bring a lighter.
I was like,
They're too heavy to carry.
I was like, I brought everything except like maybe the most essential.
I did feel a raindrop.
Every now and then.
Yeah, now and then.
But
it's
the clouds don't look as scary. They just look like clouds now. So.
It's a lovely evening in the gorge. We didn't do any crazy videoing because it rained for like
A good bit.
a while. But we kept the fire going.
Yep.
Thanks to my wet self and Mr. Luis.
Lawson's in the tent
Lawson's in the tent.
watching Jurassic Park.
He's in heaven right now.
Oh yeah.
So we're going to make some dinner. crash, and then we're gonna rock out tomorrow. I'm sure. Hopefully.
If we survive till tomorrow.
Pretty epic day. I can't wait to see what happens tomorrow. Hopefully we can move.
Yeah.
You gonna hold this and I'll do that one? A little bit of grass in there. A little bit of ash. Be good. Time for some coffee and breakfast. But coffee first. The most dramatic way ever to start a gas stove.
Do it way more.
It's good.
Do it again.
When you don't have matches, you don't have a lighter. Cheese grits. We caught these grits wild.
Why?
Wild and raised them. And now we're gonna eat them.
What animal did we get them from?
Whoa, grits are jumping out, trying to leave. So this is what breakfast looks like in the bush. Cheese grits with bacon. Bacon and eggs.
With the powdered egg
Powdered eggs.
for the first time.
Some bacon and eggs over yonder.
We don't have napkins.
Can I have a towel?
How are they?
Good.
You like them?
Well, if you want some more coffee, I'll trade you.
Why?
Because she's like, oh, I can't drink coffee, and I made 2 coffees.
Yes.
I'll take it then. Thank you. I
I'm
know.
not supposed to drink coffee.
I used to always like go to make coffee and then I'd be like, oh wait,
Yes.
I'm not supposed
I'm not
to.
supposed to.
You can have some decaf.
You
But
have
they say
decaf?
like, I don't have any with me,
Yeah.
but like 1 decaf
Uh-huh.
because the caffeine's so small.
Yeah.
That's what I used to drink in the morning just to feel like I was having
At
coffee.
least coffee.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do that sometimes. The
Yeah.
weekends. Uh-huh.
It got a little chilly last night.
You didn't even feel it.
cold. For a little bit.
I mean, I didn't get cold, but I could tell because I had
really
to.
hot.
I had to restrain Alyssa so she would quit like flailing.
Like he literally was like on
Getting
top.
over everyone.
She flails around.
My arm got cold.
Doing good, bud.
Look like Dora and Diego.
Dora and Diego.
I'm Diego and Sissy.
It smells sweet in here. Yeah, this is the daffodil flats. In the spring, it looks a lot different than it does right now. Just don't pick it. No, don't pick it. What kind of flower is that?
Yeah.
One flower.
I don't know. Sure for the-
Some kind of jasmine or something?
Well, don't get in that grass. That's where the daffodils were.
Wait,
It's a pretty cool area, huh?
we want to stay here. We can literally tall. This place is so homey. It might be easier to go to.
Boogie, we're not moving, sweetie.
I know, but I'm seeing
There's a couple of pretty cool campsites at the end of Daffodil Flats. We definitely will keep in mind for next time.
Yeah!
If it were earlier in the morning, we might consider. So we're moving campsites. Here we go. Every time I turn the camera on, here comes an airplane.
Or a boat.
Or a boat. Or a bunch of crazy people. Well, Mom-in-law went ahead. Me and Les finished packing up camp. We're moving on to our new location. Hopefully do a little bit of swimming maybe.
Yes, definitely.
Looks like we made it to our new campsite. Now we get to set up camp all over again.
Campsite number 2. They like to, every time I've ever sat on benches out here like that, I would leave and I have bug bites. Like they bite through your pants.
Yeah. Yeah, I know that.
Like we'll sit in chairs.
What, you threw that, Minnie? Yeah, I'm gonna throw big ones now. Big ones?
Mom, be careful with your toes.
Austin, do you want a crystal? Yeah. Is this your tooth? No.
That was gut breathing.
My rock's so... Oh! Okay.
Dude,
Ow!
dude. That's what I said. It's too big. You okay?
I can't breathe with my pinky like this.
You can't breathe with your pinky like that. Well, you shouldn't have smushed
Oh,
it.
no, that thing.
What happened? Alright?
Alright. I found a peanut rock. I'm
Peanut?
gonna clean it. Peanut rock. I always call it rock.
How's your peanut rock?
Peanut rock. It's a reason for peanut rock. You know what happens when you fall? You need to get up.
Get back up again?
Yeah. Gotta just go. I'm good. I know I'm falling. I'm falling again, so I just gotta get back up. Ooh la. Ooh la. Ooh la.
What are you ooh-la-lying about?
What is that? Go show mom.
That's a rock. Not a nut.
Go show
It's not a
mom.
nut.
Go show mom. Nut.
It's adamant that it's a nut.
It's not a nut. Show Mom.
Is this a nut? Nut. Told you it's a nut. Ready, Dad? Ah!
It's windy. Luis, Luis, Luis.
This is gonna be
Just saw a glacier float by.
Oh, yes.
That is cool. Ah.
So what was this cold water therapy you were telling me about?
The Wim Hof.
Wim Hof. Yes.
Wim Hof, he's I think Sub-Zero Man or something. He has like records being in the cold.
Yeah.
He was doing like a study that with this method, they put like bacteria or something in him that would give a person like a reaction, like injected in him, but he didn't get any effect. So he's like with the method, like even you can put whatever in my body, whatever, and
He'll just get in cold water and
or something. I don't know, but it felt pretty good. It's
So
like cold shock therapy or something like that. Help with the
It
soreness.
makes sense, like an ice bath and all that
Yeah,
for athletes.
it was refreshing. Yeah, that's what they do. The
Yeah.
ice baths for athletes and stuff. But supposedly helps with the mind and stuff as well.
it's good. Well,
Yeah.
oh yeah, that was nice. Good. I think that would keep us entertained for a while.
Yeah. What's this guy? How's this one looking?
Yeah. Punky. All these crazies are cold that got in the water. So we're gonna start a fire, hopefully. Let's see. One strike. Here we go. So the one strike idea is out. I knew we'd figure it out. What we did was shave up some spruce pine, some dry spruce pine. And we were able to do it. Dinner time. Mac and cheese.
And bacon and boogies.
Bacon and boogies.
I'll have to do it really far away.
Oh, watch this one. Ready?
Yeah. Watch this one.
High five. One more big one.
And then we can do a couple more.
Ready? Mashed potatoes and bacon. We're eating all the food.
Eating it all.
All of it.
We're burning flip-flops. We're dropping weight. And this bird is going crazy behind us. My GoPro shadow is... It looks delicious, just trust me. Oh, you can see my finger.
All right.
Alright.
Waking up from night 2.
Uh-huh.
Got down to what? 45 degrees?
Uh-huh. It was so cold.
You got a little cold? Well, man. Did you get cold?
No.
You
Because I'm in a cocoon.
You're in a little cocoon here? Yeah?
Now I'm a butterfly.
Now you're back. So now Daddy is starting to pack up our stuff. Because what are we doing today?
We're going home today.
Yeah. You're being a big helper. You know that? Happy Memorial Day.
Oh yeah, happy Memorial Day.
I should have recorded that bird and like, I've been like, if anybody knows what bird is making this sound, please let us know.
Yes.
Because if it's not an endangered species, we're going to shoot it next time.
Exactly.
You're like, oh yeah, that's not a bird, that's a pterodactyl.
There's still one pterodactyl left. It's Dad. It's Dad. It is
like
crazy
that, huh?
noises.
The last of the pterodactyls. Da, 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 da.
Davey's a pterodactyl.
The last of the Mohican song.
Okay, we get it. We get it.
It's a pretty epic soundtrack.
You're not endangered, so I might shoot you.
Funny girl. We are all packed up. Amazing campsite. Now,
Bye!
time to go up the mountain.
Bye, campsite. Bye, campsite. Bye, campsite.
A couple of things that are a must when you're hiking the Unnamed Trail in the spring, maybe even any time, is you have to wear long pants because the red bugs or chiggers, they will eat you alive, which they've gotten me anyways. So let's see what else. The Avenza app or some kind of GPS whenever you're hiking in the gorge, because the trails aren't marked, they're only at trailheads. They're not blazed, I should say. And a good attitude, because most of the trails around here are pretty difficult. And they say 1 mile in the gorge is like 2 miles anywhere else. I'm gonna go ahead and say that's more like 3 miles anywhere else.
Now can you turn on that song?
Luis is a true gentleman. Carrying his pregnant wife's backpack. I suppose I'll probably help some too. Feel the burn. Not the sunburn, like muscle burn.
Came from that water way down there. Camped there.
I've done this.
We're doing good, guys.
Almost there.
Well, we almost there?
So Danielle had to take up her videoing for a little while. So I'm a little bit occupied. But you know what? You never know what you can do, what you're capable of, until you try it.
Yep.
I'm finding that out right now. Luis found it out earlier.
Yep, Luis did half. Bobby's doing half.
Then Lawson's doing half.
Yeah. Mommy's got Lawson's pack, so
Yeah.
he's living the life. There you go, buddy. Mommy's right behind you. See, look at that ridge right there. We're almost there. Oh, you're all right. Put your feet down. Put your feet down, bud. Climb. Push. Dude! Did you make it?
Uh-huh.
You got it. Come on, Les. Pull. Push, push, push.
Good job, dude.
Appreciate it. Good job to all of us.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
A pretty gnarly trail.
it was very gnarly. Only the second hardest.
I don't know, it's up there.
Yeah.
Take a picture for you. Take a picture.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
It's ugly.
You did something with the shirt.
Well, we're almost back to the truck. What a great weekend with friends and family. Learned a lot. Had a ton of fun. Catch you guys on the next one. Bye.